Hello gamer. Today we are unboxing this Cooler Master NOTEPAL U3 PLUS notebook cooling pad, and do a cooling temperature and power consumption test, to see if it really improves laptop cooling. This Cooler Master cooling pad fits up to 19-inch sized devices. This cooling pad costs around $40. The U3 Plus is available in black, silver and titanium colors. The main features: 3 movable fans, so you can target that on laptop heat zones, fan speed control clip. Pad can turn into a carry case with included built-in loops for clean cable management. Let's unboxing it to see how it all looks in real life. Nothing much there, same metal pad, some kind of narcotic powder. A box again containing some powder and of course the Cooler Master fans themselves, and a big manual sheet containing the most basic information on how to use this cooling pad properly. There is also a rubber band, a bit like a CrossFit strap. I'm going to try to fit a fan. It's really easy. I like this idea that you choose where to place each fan. Also, the pad itself is made of quite thick metal. This is a speed control clip. Cool that this unit doubles the USB port, so as not to unnecessarily take up the already small number of laptop USB ports. Let's connect this Cooler Master laptop cooling pad via a power meter. Currently the cooling pad is on min speed. As we can see, it consumes 0.29 ampere, which would be 1.44 watt of power. Now let's turn the fan to max speed. As we can see, the power consumption go up to 0.41 ampere, which corresponds to 2.02 watts, which is tiny. Because a modern computer spends from 40 watts and up, so the following 2 watts is a tiny amount. For the test I ran a 4K resolution test video with 60 frames per second, which for this computer's small i3 processor is hard. As you can see, after 30 minutes of hard work, the computer doesn't heat up more than 35 degrees Celsius, which is quite nice. The fans were running on max speed, but they are no louder than the laptop's small fan max speed noise. This Cooler Master NOTEPAL U3 Plus pad has a good bonus: it can be used as a laptop bag. It holds the computer well in its own, and you can also put a document folder in there. Overall, I like this product. This cooling pad also raises the laptop higher and is more comfortable to use. It also does improve the cooling of the computer, and a quick case can also be useful. Cool that the fan can be moved to the problem areas of the computer, where cool air is needed the most. Thanks for watching this video. If anything came in handy from this, don't forget to say thanks by hitting like on this video. May your computer always be cool.